What's up,
So guys, welcome back to the part 3. And today we're gonna get our
new one.
and we have a guy serving us. Come on, bring it up.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at this food. Look.
Look at this food. It's eggs with chicharrones.
No,
Papa.
it's like with this and
La ketchup.
and
Ketchup.
Oh yeah. And the guy's got a server's ketchup.
Ketchup in our eggs because they're so delicious. On your eggs? On your eggs? Yeah, on my eggs.
All my eggs. Let's go, bro. I put it in my eggs too. Hey, dude, it's so much.
That's so much.
No, what are you doing?
First bite in an egg. See? Boom. Delicious right here.
That's all. Hey, it's so much.
It's so good.
Let me try one of these. Okay.
Go.
I don't remember. Give a shout out at Brandon Orozco.
In Instagram.
Yeah. And Snapchat, if you want to put his name, Brandon Orozco. So B, capital B, right up there. BRANDON and
O-R-O-Z.
and a space, maybe space, I don't know. OROZCO. Okay.
The baby won't stand.
Baby?
Oh, baby. Yeah. Which one?
Which not?
Which one? Okay. My auntie just had a new baby.
Mhm. Mmm. So good.
So delicious.
The heck?
Let's catch up.
Our server is Brandon Orozco. Give a shout out to him in the video. His video is so pirate.
He's hiding behind this thing.
Yeah, whatever. Who even cares? And he has the best videos. If you want to see him on live, if you want to see a real life, you guys give us 10,000 likes on this video and leave a comment. What you guys want us to do, and subscribe the button, turn on the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. And guys, this food who served us is Brandon Orozco. He's the beast. What the heck? What the heck? You're weird.
I need more eggs.
Server, we need more eggs.
Oh, yes.
No.
Just kidding, get that out of here. What is that? It's salad. I'll see.
Not so good.
This is carrot and raisin
Sorry,
salad.
we don't like this kid. This is disgusting.
Carrot and raisin salad.
That's disgusting.
Well, I'm gonna serve you two.
Oh.
Cause you need to lose some weight, so.
What the heck?
Not me.
Look at him.
Yeah, that's what he's serving us. He's a king. And he knows how to cook. Okay. Yeah, I know how to cook eggs. Here.
This is disgusting. No, this is so disgusting. We need more eggs.
There's no more.
Oh my
I
god.
can cook some.
I don't think so.
But we need more eggs.
You know I actually cook. Oh my god. I actually do it.
I give you more eggs then. Guys, comment down below if you like eggs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's gay. That's gay. That's gay.
You give me all the eggs.
That's gay. That's so gay. That's so gay.
Look at the eggs, I'm gonna get him. See? Time for drink guard.
That's gay. That's gay. That's gay. That's gay. That's gay. That's gay.
Purple Fanta? You want soup?
No, that's gay.
No, like soup, actually.
Oh yeah, soup.
Yeah, soup.
Sopa Maruchan.
Wheel soup.
We should buy Sopa Maruchan. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Guys, let's know. We went to the pool at 5. So,
No worse.
at 5.
Hmm.
No, at 5. Then we came back like at 7. So we were there like
Don't
at...
make me laugh, please, don't anymore.
You saw our last video? It was so funny. This kid started throwing up like